Hello students, let us try to understand the peptization. Okay, we are going to understand the peptizations and we are trying to understand what is the peptization and how with the help of peptization you are going to prepare the lipophobic colloid. The process of conversion of precipitate substance into the colloidal solution by the addition of a small amount of electrolyte is called the peptization. So how you are going to that is converting the precipitate into the into the colloidal solution by adding the small amount of electrolyte. Okay, the electrolyte used for the peptization process is called peptizing agent. Okay, that is whatever the electrolyte is being used for the peptization process is known as peptizing agent. During the peptization of the precipitate adsorb one of the ions of electrolyte on its surface. Okay, one of the ions of electrolyte on its surface. This causes the development of positive or negative charge on the precipitate, which is ultimately break up to the colloidal particle. For example, what the point they are saying is, student, whatever the precipitate are there, you are adding the electrolyte. Okay, electrolyte you are adding. So this electrolyte, one ion of this electrolyte will be absorbing on the this precipitate particle. Now let us see ferric hydroxide FeOH3 and OH thrice is peptized by ferric chloride, giving positive salt. So that is, if you are adding that is ferric chloride in the ferric hydroxide, so that is ferric hydroxide will absorb that is Fe3 plus ion. Okay, next one, silver chloride is there. This is the silver chloride is precipitate by HCl, giving negative sol of AgCl and Cl minus. Okay, AgCl and Cl minus. Last one is there, student, cadmium, that is sulfide CDS is peptized by H2S, giving negatively sol of the CDS2 minus. Okay, CDS2 minus. Cellulose nitrose is peptized by the mixture of the ethanol and water. The product obtained is called collodion. Okay, cellulose nitrate is peptized by a mixture of the ethanol and water. The product obtained is called collodion. So this is how that is you are going to prepare the colloids, okay, from the precipitate. So first of all we are having the precipitate, student. First of all we are having the precipitate, and in this precipitate what you are going to add, student, that is you are adding, what you are adding, dear student, adding that is electrolyte. Okay, you are adding the electrolyte. Electrolyte is also known as that is peptizing agent. Okay, this is also known as peptizing agent. So what will happen, that is colloidal particle will form. Colloidal particle will form. Okay, colloidal particle will form, and this colloidal particle formed will absorb, will absorb. What it is going to absorb, student? Not absorb, that is adsorb. What it is going to adsorb, that is one of the ion, one of the ions of one of the ions of electrolyte. Okay, one of the ions of electrolyte. So this is our required options. Okay, student, suppose I am having that is FeOH thrice is there, and you are adding that is FeCl3. Okay, so what it will do, this will adsorb again Fe3 plus ion, so it will give that is positively charged colloid. So this is all about the peptization. Thank you so much for watching, friends.